Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use an AI Detector Chrome extension step by step. This extension helps you check whether text is written by AI or by a human. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for AI Detector. You can also download GPT-0. It will also AI detection and writing replay. Then click on add to extension, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, you will see the extension icon at the top right corner of Chrome. Click on the puzzle icon, then mark it as pin. Now login or sign up using your Gmail account, like sign up or login. Here you will see. So I already logged in. Now open any website from where you want to text paragraph. Check or analyze paragraph, and then copy the text and paste it into there, and then click on scan. It will instantly scan that the paragraph will be written by AI or human. Here you will see we are highly confident that text is entirely human. Chances this entire is AI 3%, mixed 0, and human 97. So this means this paragraph or blog is written by a human, not AI. Some extension also give an AI percentage score and highlight suspicious sentences. And that's it. This is how you can use an AI Detector Chrome extension easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.